It's a crazy, loud street food day. This is Kampala, and today we decided to share with you some of the Kampala street foods. And our chief tasters today are Tia and Keke. Please introduce yourself to the viewers.
I'm Tia.
And I'm Keke from Tia and Keke.
So they are going to taste our food, and they are going to be open, they are going to be frank with you. They are going to share with you how our food tastes and their experience. By the way, this place is called Kinamwandu. It's along Wilson Street if you would like to come and have a taste. Today we are not going to share all the foods on this street, but our main dish is called echibelo. This food is a mixture of any kind of food you would want to taste or you would want to cook at the same time. So we are halfway the journey, and in our chibelo or in our dish, the main food is matoke. Can be accompanied by any other foods, but the magic is they are cooked at the same time in the sauce, in the same saucepan. And the sauce, you can add chicken, fish, whatever you want at the same time. Let us wait for what will come out. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Visit their channel, Tia and Keke Squad. Please introduce your channel to the...
So guys, our channel is called Tia and Keke. I'm Keke, my daughter is Tia. It's a mother-daughter duo. We do daily vlogging, we do challenges, pranks, just anything that's fun, family content. So do subscribe to our channel.
Please visit them, share some love with them. This is our food. It's almost getting ready. Please don't go anywhere. So this is what I told you. This food can be a mixture of any foods around. So you can see Irish potato, yellow bananas, and then chicken. I think right now we are ready. Oh, we are going to wait for just a few minutes, then we'll be into our dish. Our food is almost ready. We are just waiting for a few minutes, then we'll be sharing with you how it tastes. But I can't wait. I'm so hungry right now. So keep watching, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Be part of this family. So today our main dish is the chibelo, or what we have been talking mostly about, but we'll be sharing some of the foods. You'll be seeing the other foods that's being cooked in this place, but our main focus is on chibelo. It has been an awesome, hard-working day. We have been cooking. Keke is washing dishes. Are you ready?
I am so ready, you guys.
So let us dive into our dish. We have come to almost the end, but the end we have to eat and give you a review about this food. As you know, always hard work pays. So our food is here on our table, and we're going to. I think we should take the first bite.
We should try first, yeah?
Yes. But
Do you want to do the honors?
we don't use forks. We use our fingers on eating the African way. I think I won't wait for these guys. So, how is the food?
Guys, this food is amazing. Amazing, beyond amazing. And I think what's also making it more tasteful is because we were here from the beginning, we were part of the preparations, you know. We had our hands in and everything, you know. So, Tia, what do you think? I can even see the soup dripping down your face. You like it? It's good. Wow.
So this was my first meal today. This morning I haven't eaten anything. I've been working, as you have seen in the video. I've been so busy. I was the chef. She was washing dishes. She was waiting for the food. The food is so amazing. The food is so tasty, so yummy. You shouldn't miss out Kampala street foods. Before we go any further, don't forget to visit my sister. This is Tia and Keke. Go to their channel. Go to their channel. Stepsister. She's kidding. Go to their channel, subscribe, like, share them out. You can tell them Nicholas sent you or eating the African way, but please be part of this family.
You're already part of the family.
No, the new members, I'm saying the new members. Even those members who are on my side can come to your side.
Yeah.
I think we should stop here. Bye-bye.
My coffee.